Hi friends, welcome. Previously we have seen the rigor words. Now we'll see about the built-in functions, how to list them, how to check, and these built-in functions are like tools available in our toolkits, say Python provided to us, and these are available by default. So we'll learn more about this. Visit this URL, this there in the description below, and you can scroll, watch the videos and copy the code here. You will get a total list of functions available also, and towards the end here is your exercise. You can click this, go to GitHub, download the entire code, try it in your development platform or in the collab, whatever you are using. Some questions are there to refer your revision and for check your understanding. You can try them all. I'm in my Google, so let me just search collab Google. So it's a collab is a Google platform, free Python platform, cloud based. I will just open what the last notebook I worked on. So here it is. I have opened it. You can see the previously about what we have discussed all are available here. Let me just remove some here. Let me delete some cells and we'll go for adding fresh to check run our code. Okay, these are all about rigor words previously what we have discussed. Now let me add a code block here. So this is here. Now first what I am going to do is I am just printing dir built-in. So built-ins, this will tell me what it will list out the functions what is already available by default. So let's just see, here it is, all the list is displayed here, but note that it will truncate some of my functions. Okay, here you can see these are all there, it is not truncating anything. You can just help, hacks, id, greater, whatever the built-in functions. Say I want to know what are the total number is there. What I will do, len is also a built-in, len or length. So you can remember it as len, len. So now this will tell me what are the number of built-in functions available. Now here it is 160. You can see here this many built-in functions are available by default. Let me add one more code block and use the built-in library itself, because here you can see I have imported that. Now I am just printing all the whatever the functions available, same output I will get it. Here the list is. Now let me just move on. So this list you have seen around 160 here this is, and it may change with different version of the Python what you are using. So let's just come back and use a code here which displays all the callable functions which you can, because we don't want the internal functions and all is so callable. So here we have used it. Let me just copy this code. This anyway, this blog you bookmark it. You can use this wherever you want. Other codes are also available here. Now let me run this. Now this will list all the callable functions. Here it is. These are all the callable functions, whatever it is. So I can also see what are the length of it. So len, let me come to the end. How many of them are callable? 146. So this is the difference. So these are the built-in functions by default available for our Python. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubt, idea, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.